Hey guys, this is Al. Now today I'm going to be giving you an update on Chime Bank. I made a video a little while ago talking about Chime Bank and how I was looking for a new bank that allowed me to have no fees, all right? No bank fees. And I was talking about this bank. I was kind of singing its praises, and I want to give you like a 6-month update as far as what happens with Chime Bank. And guess what, guys? I'm still quite pleased with this bank. All right, so here's the deal. So I found this bank, signed up, easy to download the app. I went to the website, put in my name, information, just some basic stuff about me. They sent me my card in a couple of days. And what happens is then when I started to use the card, it was primarily just so that I could have a bank that had no banking fees. All right. But what happened was I found out there was another benefit to the bank, and that benefit was that it had a referral program that was pretty awesome. So basically, when you share Chime Bank with a friend or family member or basically anybody who wants to get a bank that has no fees, and they use your link and they sign up and they link their direct deposit to this bank, what happens is, as long as they make a $200 direct deposit, they get an additional $50. Now, that's cool for them, but guess what, guys? You get an additional $50. So far, I've shared it with a few of my friends. When I first got started with it, I was just interested in the fact that the bank had this really nice feature that rounded your payments up. Like if you're buying something, up to the next dollar, and it puts that towards in your savings account, and I thought that was pretty awesome as well. But then with the fact that I've been sharing it and I've made over $150 just sharing it with a couple of friends, and I thought that was pretty awesome as well. And so if you want to get, number one, a bank account with no fees, a bank account that allows you to save money as you spend money, and number 3, allows you to make money referring it to your friends, family. All you have to do is have a smartphone with the app on it, and you can basically do all your banking with Chime. All right, so that's basically it, guys. If you're interested in Chime Bank, or if you're interested in making money and you're at home and you want different ways to make money, check out the links below. I have some options for you, and also I have a link for Chime Bank so that you guys can start making money and getting that free $50. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one.